As e dey hot, wife material is in the kitchen, guys. Join me, let's cook delicious pasta today. So now the fish when I want use, now be this, so I dey put am for oil. Make her fry am, make her for fry am, give am that beautiful look, guys. Watch this video to the end, like and share this video, guys. Okay, now as e dey hot, let's parboil the pasta, guys. So now the water when I want use be that, I can't put salt inside. Before I start opening it, I can't pour them inside. Now 2 pack now I use, guys, as now they see am for this video. So I can't turn, after I turn and finish, I can't cover and make it cook. Okay, now let's go over to the fish. The fish don't dry. I can say, okay, now it's time to remove the fish. So I can remove the fish inside the oil. I can remove the fish inside. That's not the same for this video. After I remove the fish, I can carry the onions. I can pour them inside. Now they say, oh yeah, when I take fry the fish, now I take do and so. Now I can pour the pepper and the everything when I blend together and the tomatoes. I can pour them inside. Make them for marry yourself very well. Turn them. After I turn them, I can cover and make it cook. So I can come back check am again, guys, as now they see am for this video. Please like and share this video, watch to the end and see how I make it. Okay, now as e dey hot, I can say make I turn, I can add the fish when I fry, I can put am inside, I can say make I put everything inside, make everything for marry themselves together. I can put curry, I can put maggi inside, I can put salt, I can put am join am, I can pour the meat stock, the water when I take boil the fish, now wetin I want to. As e dey hot, make we check this food. Okay, now I can't check the food. I can't turn. I say make I turn am very well, make everything for mix very well. After I turn and finish, I can carry the leaf. I can put leaf. This one a spinach leaf when I use. So I can add am inside, make everything for circulate together. Make them for marry yourself. After I add, I can turn and add the remaining one. I add all of them. I can turn it together. Everything enter inside. Now so it's sweet. How na raising this food now? So now turn. I see they turn am. I see they turn the food, guys. As now they see am for this video, so sweet and yummy, guys. Like and share this video. So I can leave am for a few minutes, come check everything is ready. It's ready to eat, guys. Join me and let's eat. So I'm serving myself here, guys. So yummy and delicious.